Sometimes people book top end sessions and they literally come and cry. Hey, what can I do? Or sometimes I just listen to them. That is what I can do. That is what I can do. Okay, Pranita Pawar again replying TCS. TCS, I am not sure. Uh, maybe okay. So maybe you are looking for TCS interview questions, right? Sure, we will try. We will try to make TCS TCS interview. Okay. Let's go here. The other playlist. Interview, skill interviews. Skill interviews. For videos. Yeah, please. More videos come in this link. More videos to come this playlist. Okay. Thank you, Pranita, for your on STM. Yes. Okay, we'll make one document only on source target mapping document. Okay. Pranita Pawar again, business requirement document. Okay, I asked for video coming soon. Agile, Azure. Okay. Video coming soon. Pranita, thank you for Nita Pawar. Thank you for your comments. Agile business requirement. Okay. Agile BRD. Okay. Let's make videos on business requirement document also and those target measurement document also. Okay. STM video will come and then BRD document. Sorry, video will come. What is a business requirement document? What is source target measurement document? Let's do this videos. Okay. I'll comparison.
If you achieve a 100% hike within 3 months, you'll get a full refund.